In this video, I will show you how to test air conditioner good and bad capacitor. Bad capacitor has a bubble on the top and the new capacitor look fine. Set multimeter to 2000 ohms and meter will display digit 1 on LCD. Sometimes the old capacitor is not working fine, but looking at the capacitor you cannot judge it whether this is a good or bad capacitor. If it's the bad capacitor, it will be puffy or either it has bubble or leak, but sometimes you won't notice any of the thing. So this is the method how to test the bad capacitor. 4 point on the capacitor is for common, 2 point is for fan, and 3 point is for Herm. It is also written on the capacitor as well. C, Herm and fan. I am putting black lead on C, which is common, and red lead on fan. Number did not change on the meter. It means that fan part is now working fine in the capacitor. Now move the red lead to the Herm and you see the number jump up and came back to 1. It determines Herm is working fine. Sometime you will also notice if you keep red lead on Herm number, it will keep increasing the number. Then eventually number will come down, but it might take some time. This is perfectly fine. I will also demonstrate that as well. This is the new capacitor. First I will test the fan. I put the black lead on the common and red lead on 2 points, which is fan. Number changed and it came back to 1. It means fan part is working fine. Now keeping the black lead to the common and red lead to Herm, which has 3 point. You notice number are keep increasing, which is perfectly fine. Eventually number will come down to 1. Finally, it came down to 1. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe the channel, give a like to the video and share your feedback in the comment box. Until the next video, goodbye.